Sigurado ako guys kasi Hi guys and good morning! Welcome back to our channel! Hi Mama!
Hi.
On the way kami guys, malapit na kami. Nandito na kami sa Abu Dhabi at pupunta kami ngayon sa Turkish Embassy. At ngayon ay ang schedule ng aking interview for Turkish citizenship. Inshallah, pag-pray nyo ako guys na sana ay makapasa tayo sa ating interview. Gusto ko sanang i-record yung mga questions habang ini-interview ako sa embassy. Kaso lang, bawal pala ang mga gadgets or any camera or phone. Kukolektahin kasi nila sa embassy. Bago ka pumasok, bawal magdala ng ganun. So, hindi tayo makakapag-record guys. So, ikikwento ko na lang sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung mga tinanong nila sa mga interested dyan na mga Pilipina na katulad ko na nakapag-asawa ng Turkish at wala pang Turkish citizen kung paano mag-apply. Kung interested kayo, just comment down below. Welcome to Abu Dhabi! Abu Dhabi! Say bye-bye! Bye-bye! See you later!
This area camera is not allowed.
Huh?
They see you, they will write your color. Wow.
Hi! Hello! Yamor, ne yapıyorsun sen Yamor?
More shaking your body like that. No. Kiss. Oh. Oh.
The next day.
Yancy! Hi! Hi! How are you?
You should go back there.
You cannot! Oh no! You cannot shoot. You are already expired, Baba. Aywa! Wow! Okay, let's
Hadi go.
Time to open this cleanup kit. Mia, a box inside and a sponge.
Wow! Uy! Ay! Hey! What's... Ow!
Hear you.
Magka tayo ng watermelon.
I can't
Oh!
hear you.
There is a kiras, Yamor. You want kiras?
No, I cannot hear you. I'm back.
Kiras, you want cherry?
I cannot hear you. This
Ayun
button
mo,
is
Tibog.
too loud.
Oh. Now, I'm going to cut
I'm watermelon.
watermelon. Oh, very big watermelon. Watermelon to, guys.
Super big, but I cannot.
It's so heavy. Baba, watermelon. Hi guys! So ayun nga, hindi natin natapos yung ating vlog kahapon kasi sobrang pagod na kami guys. Pagdating namin sa bahay, anong oras na? Gabi na. Tapos yung biyahe pa namin kasi ay 1 oras mahigit at after ng Philippine Embassy. After namin ng Turkish Embassy, dumiretso na kami sa bahay ng friends namin at hindi ko na nakuhang mag-vlog doon guys kasi alam nyo na, friends time. Ayan, banding-banding muna. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog at ngayon ko lang itutuloy yung vlog natin. So, ayun nga. Hi, Amor. Nag-hug si Amor. What happened? So, ayan, pinupush niya talaga na makakuha ako ng citizenship ko sa Turkey dahil nga mahirap kasi guys ang pumunta ng Turkey pag anytime kasi kailangan ko ng visa. So, sabi niya, why not na i-push na natin yung application mo for citizenship sa Turkey. So, ayan, nag-submit kami ng aming application at tinanggap naman nila. Lahat ay kompleto naman. So, in-schedule ako agad ng aking interview. So, kinakabahan ako guys kung ano yung result ng interview, kung makakakuha ba tayo ng citizenship natin or hindi. Dahil yung mga nireview ko or yung mga tinanong sa akin ay hindi naman natanong. Yung mga tinanong sa akin ay Hindi naman natanong. Yung mga nireview ko na question ay tinanong kay Mister. Yes, Baba? All the question that I review in Turkish Embassy, they ask for you, right?
Yeah.
Guys, memorize ko na lahat. I already memorized it and I know everything. They call you?
Yeah, when I was out.
And?
They asked some information about me, not you.
Again? Kasi kahapon, nagtawag din sila sa akin for extra information. So, ayun guys, I'm nervous.
Oh.
Maybe I cannot pass.
And he said that the papers are not yet being sent in Turkey.
It's not been sent? Why?
It's still under review.
Oh my goodness. Kabado ako guys kasi under review pa pala.
Next week, maybe they will call us for the signature. Before we sign it, they will not send. First, we have to sign them.
So we need to sign first before they will send it to Turkish Embassy in Turkey. Ayun nga guys. So, hindi pa tayo magsisigurado na makapasa kasi under review pa yung mga papers ko. So, next week daw, babalik kami sa Abu Dhabi at kukuhanan kami ng signature bago nila isasubmit sa Turkey. So, pray for me na sana makapasa ako. No guys, sana makapasa ako and medyo kinakabahan ako sa resulta kasi hindi ko alam kung pasado ba yun or hindi. So, bahala na guys, basta pag-pray nyo ako na sana makapasa tayo sa ating citizenship para hindi na natin kailangan mag-apply ng mga visa pag pupunta tayo or bibisita tayo ng Turkey. So, ayun nga guys, ang update for today and sana in my next vlog sana makakuha na tayo ng ng kasagutan kung pasado ba or hindi. So, wish me luck guys and pray for me. So, yun lang guys ang update namin for today. So, thank you always for watching. Say bye-bye, Baba.
Bye-bye. I'm busy searching some toys.
Baba is still busy. Look. The kids have already a lot of toys, but Baba looks still. He's still looking for a toy. I don't know what kind of toy he wants. He's looking Thomas and Friends, guys, because Yasi love Thomas and Friends.
And Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels? Actually, ang dami ng collection ni Yasi ng cars. Pero hindi pa rin siya natatapos sa kakakollect ng kanyang sasakyan. What?
He's trying to like a collection of cars. Like collect cars. That's why every day when we go, it's like he's buying cars.
Yeah, yesterday how many cars again he bought?
Okay, two. Yeah, just one.
4 small one and 3 big one. 7 cars.
He buy Mercedes cars and alam nyo guys, pag nagko-collect si Yasi, iisang
of this.
Isang klase pero iba-ibang kulay ang gusto niya. May kulay yellow, kailangan kumpleto yung kulay na kukunin niya. Right, Yasi? What are you eating?
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Can I see your teeth? Is your teeth has cavities? Open your mouth. Oh, Yasi, teeth is clean. Did you brush your teeth today? No. Oh my goodness. See?
And he buy these.
Say bye-bye to my video. Say bye-bye. So, say bye-bye. We will end now this video and see you again to our next vlog. Say bye-bye, Yasi. Yasi, bye-bye. What is that? What color is that car?
Black.
Black. And what is that?
White.
White. Good job. And that is what?
Here, Elsie. Red.
Very good.
Why? You don't want to lick this.
So, bye-bye to my video now. Say bye-bye, amor.
Bye.
Don't forget to...
Subscribe.
Again. Don't forget to what, Yasi? Like and...
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Bye-bye and good night.